I welcome everyone to the beginning of a new semester. This semester I will be handling Semantic Web 08CS7021B course for you. It is a 3-hour lecture course and is of 3 credits. So in this course, you will learn about the semantic web perspective of our web. Okay, how our web will look like, or how our web, as we know, will function if semantic web technologies are added to that. So now I would like to discuss about the course objective, course outcome, and syllabus, of course. So the course objective is to introduce you to the advanced concepts in emerging trends in web architecture. So semantic web was thought as one of the concepts that would drive web in a particular direction, right? So many ecosystems as well as technologies were fully developed around semantic web primitives. So you will be introduced to those. Okay, how our web architecture can benefit from a semantic web technology. That aspect will be covered in this course. Then these are the topics that we will be going through in this course. Okay, first of all, you will be given an introduction about semantic web technology. Then the main components of semantic web technology are also introduced, like RDF, resource description framework. Then OWL, that is web ontology language. Then semantic web services, then their application, and some real world semantic web applications like Swoogle and all. Okay, so these are the components of your syllabus. So right from introduction to a real world application is covered in your syllabus. So what is expected out of you, or expected out of this course when you complete this course? That's what is covered in expected outcome, right? So once you complete this course, you will understand the structure of semantic web enabled World Wide Web. Okay, so how a World Wide Web will look with semantic web technologies, that you will understand. Then you will be able to understand concepts like metadata, semantics of knowledge, source, and ontology. And you will also be able to understand how XML plays an important role in implementation of all these concepts. Okay, these are the expected outcome. Then as far as your textbook is concerned, this one, that is Liang Yu, Introduction to Semantic Web and Semantic Web Services, is enough for our syllabus, so you can follow that. Okay, Liang Yu, that is the second textbook and reference, that is Liang Yu, Introduction to Semantic Web and Semantic Web Services, is according to the syllabus. We will go through each and every module. So before going into the module level details, I would like to tell you that as per a lesson plan or course plan put by Kerala Technological University, we are supposed to complete the first module within the first week. Okay, so we will be completing this first module first, and in the first module you are supposed to be given an introduction of semantic web technology. Then how a traditional web can be adapted to semantic web style. Then a small introduction about metadata and search engines is also given. In second module, you are introduced to the concept of a resource description framework, then how to write a sample RDF documents. Then you are also introduced to the concept of RDFS. Okay, that is RDF schema, and how we can define taxonomy and ontology using RDF schema. Those concepts are also covered. Then in third module, you are introduced to another aspect of semantic web, or another technology behind semantic web, that is web ontology language. Then various operations and operators possible on OWL are discussed. Then validation of OWL ontology is also covered. In fourth module, semantic web services and applications are covered. That is how web services can be enabled using semantic web technologies, and some basics about web service standards, and UDDI is also covered. Then in fifth module, the concept of OWLS, that is using ontology, OWL ontology to describe web services is given, and how all these things work together in an ecosystem, that is OWLS, UDDI and WSDL, right, for web service discovery and all is discussed. Then in sixth module, some real world application of semantic web like SOOGL, that is semantic web search engine. Then FOF, that is friend of friend vocabulary, that is how to describe a social network using using an ontology concept. Okay, that is discussed in FOF. Then semantic markup and semantic web search engine, those concepts are also covered in sixth module. So this is all about your semantic web 08CS 7021 syllabus and course outcomes.